Today, I'll show you guys the best settings to fix lag, low FPS, slow speed, and audio problems when playing Tekken 6 on PPSSPP Android. So make sure to stick to the end of this video. Now, to get this done, simply start by opening your PPSSPP emulator. Then click on settings. Make sure you're in the graphics section. Now, for your back end, make sure that it's using Vulkan. Then once you are done with that, click on your rendering resolution. Now, if you are using a very powerful device, you can go with 4x PSP or you can go with 3x PSP. But if you are using a low-end device, simply go for 2x PXP. Now, once you are done with that, move to your display resolution. Make sure you are using native device resolution. Then now, you have to come to this section down here, which is frame skipping. Click on it, select 3, auto frame skip, turn it on. Then go to this display layout and effects, click on the plus icon, scroll down, you are going to see color correction, click on it. Then click on saturation, adjust it to 1.25 or 26. 25 or 26. All right. Then do the same thing for your contrast. 1.25 or 26. Click on OK and then click back. Now, once you are done with this, scroll down. You are going to see alternative speed. Click on it. Move it to 1000%. You are going to see alternative speed 2. Click on it. Move it to 1000%. Then scroll down. You're going to see lazy texture catching. Turn it on. Then you see your spline bizarre curve quality. Click on it. Make sure it's on high. Next up, we're going to be looking for your upscale type. You can see your upscale type here. Make sure it's selected as XBRZ. Make sure that's the one you are using. Then your anisotropic filtering, make sure you are using 16x. Then your texture filtering, make sure it's set to auto. Then scroll to the bottom. You are going to see show FPS counter. Turn it on. Show speed. Turn it on. Then this lower resolution for effects. Click on it. Select aggressive. Then once you are done with this, go to your controls. Look for button opacity. You can see it here. Make sure you put it as 40. 40. Then click on OK. Now, once you are done with this, then all you have to do, look for your audio section. You can see the audio section here. Click on it. Then look for alternative speed volume. You can see it here. Make sure you put it as 10. Then as for your reverb volume, set it to 13, 14 or 15. Now, once you are done with this, you can go ahead and play your game and it's going to be working fine. But lastly, there's one more thing you should do. Go to your system, look for, I think, IO timing. Yes, IO timing. Click on it. Make sure you are using fast. And that's it. Now you can go ahead and give your game a try.
Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. KO. You win. Chang. Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.